Venus in the 7th house places desire into one-to-one relationships. Attraction seeks balance through partnership. Fulfillment comes from being chosen and choosing in return. This placement formed because connection once stabilized life. Aloneness felt unsafe. Desire survived through alliance. At its best, this placement creates cooperation, mutual respect, and shared growth. At its extreme, it depends on others to confirm worth. The karmic question here is simple: can I value myself? Even when I am not mirrored by another. When conscious, Venus in the 7th builds healthy bonds. When unconscious, it negotiates self-worth through relationships. Venus in the 8th house places desire into depth, intimacy, and change. Attraction seeks emotional truth. Superficial bonds feel empty. This placement formed because survival required merging, sharing resources, secrets, and vulnerability. At its best, Venus here creates loyalty, courage, and emotional honesty. At its extreme, it becomes possessive or fearful of loss. The karmic lesson is trust without control. Desire matures when intimacy is shared, not owned, when closeness transforms. Without consuming. Venus in the 9th house places desire into belief, purpose, and exploration. Attraction grows through shared ideals and growth. Venus in the 10th house places desire into role, achievement, and visibility. Value links with respect and recognition. The 9th formed because meaning gave direction. The 10th formed because status provided security. Problems arise when belief replaces intimacy, or recognition replaces self-worth. Maturity allows purpose without escape, and success without dependence. Venus in the 11th house places desire into friendship, ideals, and networks. Connection feels safest in groups. Equality matters more than intensity. This placement formed because belonging protected individuality. Desire survived through shared vision. At its best, Venus here creates acceptance and collaboration. At its extreme, it avoids closeness. The karmic question is, can I belong without losing intimacy? When conscious, community enriches desire. When unconscious, it replaces it. Love feels boundless, boundaries blur. This placement formed because sacrifice reduced suffering. Desire survived through giving. At its best, Venus here offers unconditional love and forgiveness. At its extreme, it loses itself. The karmic lesson is compassion with awareness. Desire matures when love flows without self-erasure. This completes Venus's journey through the houses.